Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Paul Smith Cashmere scarf with artist stripe trim. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So in this wrapping paper or tissue paper is a Paul Smith Cashmere scarf with the artist stripe trim. Let's go ahead and open up or tear open the tissue paper or wrapping paper to reveal the Paul Smith Cashmere scarf with artist stripe trim. And of course we can slide that wrapping paper to the side, and of course giving you a look at this cashmere scarf before I start handling it. So this one is in black, and to give you some sense of its size in its folded state, just placing my hand over it. So it does measure 25 centimeters wide and 180 centimeters long, which we'll see in just a moment. But now taking a much closer in look at the details of the scarf, so we can see the overall black color and of course the artist stripe trim or design. Being that multicolored band running along the length of the scarf, even through to the tassels. And of course there is a hang tag as well. So taking a look at the hang tag that's attached to the scarf. It's right there, the details that's on the hang tag of the scarf. Okay, and of course it is attached by a safety pin to the label of the scarf, so giving you a look at the details of the garment or care labels of the scarf. So let's try my best to achieve focus on the details that's on it. And on the inner label as well. So it is dry clean only. And right there, the details that's on both labels of this Paul Smith cashmere scarf with artist stripe trim. Okay, so moving along, just giving you a look at the length of the scarf now, so just unfolding it. And of course there is another label here, Paul Smith label, on the opposite end of the scarf. And it is made in Italy. Okay, right, so on this end of the scarf with the brand label, we can see the tassels, of course, in majority black, and of course the artist stripe design with the multi-color trim. Right there, just giving you a close-up look at the details of the cashmere or textile or fabric. And the colors as well. So you can see the softness of the scarf and the way that it moves or handles. So flipping it over to the reverse side, so giving you a look at both sides. Of the scarf. And as we move further along, just let me lay it out flat and start from one end with the Paul Smith label and moving it along towards the other end. So once again, this scarf measures 180 centimeters long, or 1.8 meters, and 25 centimeters deep or wide. So once again, giving you a close-up look at the details of this Paul Smith cashmere scarf with artist stripe trim. And just give you a look at just how delicate and soft the scarf is, just tossing it about to give you some sense of the material. So an up close look one more time at the raw edge finish of the scarf, and of course the tassels as well, or the ends of the scarf right there. And just stretching it as well to give you some sense of its structure. So that's the Paul Smith cashmere scarf with artist stripe trim. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!